Hi, Brad. Yeah, I took a look at the site. I was just looking, and I'll try and to some degree duplicate what it would look like in a on an iPhone just by resizing my browser. But what this menu actually does is it's scripted so that on a mobile device, the actual menu button and all that stuff, it's replaced with or links directly into the mobile device's default menu. On a default menu, it's like different options. Select the page you want to go, hit done, and away you go. Um, Now, it may be different on an it's going to be different, slightly different on an Android than an iPhone and a tablet and things like that. So it really depends on what device you're working with, but all this menu was intended to do was actually trigger the device's default menu, and then when you click here on navigation, it doesn't open up with a drop down here. Like on the iPhone, it actually opens up the menu, the default menu opens up at the bottom. You can scroll through with your fingers, select the page, then click on done, and it takes you to the page. That's kind of the links right into that device. That's the way that device works. Android may be a little bit different. The reason for that is because it just gets rid of the fat finger issue. So that's one of them. And the other thing is if there's a lot of pages, like say you had 100 pages in your menus all combined. Well, having a drop down like this, it goes down below the bottom of the page. It's kind of hard to describe, but for people that have really big menus, right? Clicking on that, you only have about 450, 500 pixels to work with. If the menu stacked up and was taller than that, then it's real pain in the neck to work with, and that's why we decided to use a script that just sort of tagged into the device. So that way, at the bottom of when the menu triggers, you can have 200 pages in there and just thumb through them all, and it's not going to change the size of the device. The menu just scrolls and scrolls until you find what you're looking for. So I wish I had an answer for you. I mean, you can get rid of it if you want. You can get rid of it and just have regular links up here, but because we're using you have the submenus here. That's where it gets, you could probably, I'm just seeing what we have here. You got 3 here, 1 there, 1 there, and 1 there. So really, you could probably use a menu system if you wanted to. You could get rid of the whole drop-down thing and just have menu buttons up top. That'd be the other solution. And not have the menu triggered, not trigger the device menu on mobile. Just a thought. I'll leave that with you for now, and